I think today's a good day to go thrifting and see what we can find. They say retro gaming's dead, and it mostly is. Sometimes you get lucky, you find some, especially old PC games like this. Hey, look at that. Sierra. It's not a bad start. I have that one already, though. Sourpuss. Oh, some brand new cassette tapes. $2. Not bad. Check out all the VHS tapes right here. Some vinyl. I don't need to collect another thing though. I check out the board games because sometimes they mix big box PC games in there. And look at that. That's a good sign. Central point backup for Windows, 7 megabytes per second. Well, probably good for its time, but I don't need to back up Windows 3.1. Still cool to see. And yeah, look at it. Got click art, business images. It's fun to remember that people had to buy this stuff to put them in their presentations and stuff like that. Now you just download them or generate them. Not bad. Well, let's fix this mess that we made over here. What's down here? Go check it out. Got apples to apples. And check out the loose CDs. Got the Blue Man Group. Yeah, what do we got here? American the Beautiful. Ah, a screensaver for Windows. And when there's one, there's usually another one in the pile. So let's keep looking. This one's coming home with me. And sure enough, timeless inspiration. Look at that. We got another one. And all the CDs that you buy from this place is it's only $1, so not bad. Gonna check that out later. Looking through the audio CDs here. Hey, look at that. We got Internet Accelerator. I wonder if this has anything. I doubt it has anything to do with Download Accelerator. I remember I had that growing up, and that was a lifesaver because you didn't have to re-download you could actually pause your downloads. You know, remember when it took 5 hours to download that Counter-Strike mod update? Hey, Sublime. That's not a bad CD. Remember my friend's mom nailed that to his brother's wall. Ah, Beck. Look at that. I haven't seen that probably for 20 years. My friend had that. Probably going to pick that up. Millennium. We'll leave that there. Let's see what R. Kelly, Parental Advisory. That's pretty accurate. Put that back. CDR, we don't want that. Oh, look at that. Railroad Tycoon 2. Not bad. Railroad Tycoon 2 won several awards and was pretty popular back then. So I've never actually played it, but I'm kind of excited to give this one a shot. And if we look hard enough, you usually find one, you find another. And look at that. Yeah, they got the expansion. Not bad. Which also, if I remember correctly, was pretty well received too. So we get to check that out. Second Century Railroad Tycoon 2. Developed by Top Software. Yeah, I wonder what else they got. A lot of times when you find one or two, you find more. So let's give it a good look over. Unfortunately, I didn't see anything else, but maybe you guys might see something. Just let me know. Night noise. What the heck is this? No. Sometimes you see the weird names and you got to check them out. You know, you never know if it's a game or because it's not. They're all mixed together. So, hey, SR-71. Yeah, good song. What is this? We got Medal of Honor Pacific Assault. I think this is the second game in the series. And it's sealed. Not bad. Yeah, 2004. From what I remember, this one wasn't as good as the first one, but it's definitely was well received from what I remember. We're definitely going to check that out. Kind of look around the area, see if we find any more. A lot of times you find one, you find more. Unfortunately, no more. Our luck ran out. At least I didn't find any. In Mortal Kombat. What a great movie. Too bad it wasn't rated R, but honestly, probably wouldn't have been able to watch it when I was a kid. So I saw that in theater, and it was awesome. Especially the theme song, man. That was something else. Red Dawn. Believe it or not, Red Dawn was like the first PG-13 movie ever produced. So that's pretty cool. The Wolverines. Hey, let's check it a little higher, see what they got. Hey, look at that, Red Dawn. If you don't want the VHS version, they have the DVD version right here. Right next to each other. That's awesome. Sometimes you got to check out the kid stuff. Sometimes you find education stuff. I like to check that out. Hey, look at that. We got the Mighty Ducks and the Ninja Turtles. That was a fun movie back then. Oh, we got Shiloh, Fern Gully, All Dogs Go to Heaven. That's pretty awesome.
Yeah, not bad for $7. Take it.
The other thrift store, I found some floppies for $2, and hey, $7 for all this. Not bad. Not bad at all. Go ahead and send me your thrift store finds, and I might feature them on my next episode. Till next time. Peace.